Okay, hey guys, so here we are in Devonshire. This is Devonshire Bay Dock. Devonshire Bay Dock. Just here to get some fry. So here we are in this fishing spot again. Say hi, Mom. So it's a bit windy. You probably can't hear me, and I'll probably have to do subtitles, but let's see if we can catch anything here today. Yeah. Alright, so it's a bream.
It's an ocean bream.
So like, I just had my line out, and then under my breath I was like, I just want a bream, a damn bream, and then boom, it bit my leg. It's red, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
well, put it back. Yeah, wow, it's big.
It's a nice color.
So this is a parrotfish. You never keep these. You always throw these back. They're very important for the reefs and the coral, everything.
What's that? Oh, it's a big bream, eh?
Yeah, it's pretty big too.
Yeah.
Ah, thank goodness it didn't swallow it. Okay. All right. Oh God. All right, let me just put it in the box. Oh, it almost went back in the ocean. Okay.
Naunahan mo pa si Daddy, makahuli ah. Yan o, makiril
Oh,
o.
the mackerel's huge. Okay. Yeah.
Very good.
Nice.
Yeah. Very good, Daddy.
Big Mucky, big mackerel. See? Nice, fresh one. Alright.
Last, you got it.
Yeah. Finally got it.
Yeah. Good.
Hey guys, so here we are in Watch Hill Park. It's basically like a cliffy area. Mom, Auntie Anna, say hi.
Hello! We're having a winter barbecue.
Yeah. So growing up, we would always come here, and we would go fishing here when we were like little. Like if you see this rocky path. But we don't come here as often anymore because my parents are getting older, and to be honest, it would be a bit dangerous for them to fish here. So yeah. There's Mom and Auntie Anna with the barbecue and everything, and then here. Like we would go fishing here and over there. It's so, this rock is like super sharp, so like if you trip, you would totally get cut. I think this is volcanic rock. I'm not entirely sure, but I'm pretty sure this is volcanic rock. Like people come here to go fish for rockfish, like these really big groupers. I'm pretty sure there's some in there right now. Actually, in the distance, there's someone fishing for rockfish right now. Whoa! Oh my goodness, I have not been here for years. So seeing this, I don't know, I just remember this being a whole lot bigger. So we'd walk around there just to get to that side. Wow. You can see here, someone put a little steel bar. So, and you can actually see a line right now. So someone didn't clean up their line. Should probably get it. So you can imagine my 4-foot self, 7-year-old, 6-year-old, okay, maybe more so 7-year-old, just walking through here. I don't think I fell much here. Maybe like once or twice and got a couple cuts, but it's all part of growing up. So yeah, out here for another cook. We're cooking up some bream that we caught early in the video, and we're gonna make a sweet and sour sauce. We're gonna cut the bream. I already did an incision, but my mom told me that I'm supposed to go this way, so let's fix that real quick. So that's 1, 2, okay. Then the other side. Alright, so the next thing we're gonna do is just simple salt, pepper, garlic, some lemon. So we're just gonna spread garlic all over the fish, especially in the cuts. Alright, and then just gonna drizzle some lemon over it. The next thing we're gonna do, we're just gonna splash some flour over it. The shadow. Okay, that didn't work out as much. Pan over the barbecue, and it's a bit hot right now. It's still hot, thankfully. So we're just gonna put some canola oil. So,
Slowly, slowly.
let's go. Look at that.
Wow.
That's good. Wow, look at that. To be honest, I wasn't sure if this was gonna work, but it's actually working, so I'm pretty speechless right now. Ooh. You can smell it because the ocean breeze is coming this way, so it's bringing the smell of the bream. The way that we're gonna cook this bream, we're gonna fry it up, we're gonna set it aside, and then we're gonna make a sweet and sour sauce. So it's basically a bream ESCABECHE.
Yeah.
I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it's basically a sweet and sour sea bream. So it's gonna, I'm sure it's gonna taste amazing. I don't know why I'm doing it left-handed. Wow! Look at that. This looks so good. And it smells amazing. Beautiful golden brown color. It's crispy. It smells amazing. Wow. We're gonna put the small bream now. Hey, careful. So let's do this. How am I gonna do it?
Candy. Yan.
Alright, so one down.
Look, looking good.
Look at that.
Watch out.
Perfectly cooked, golden brown. So now we're gonna do the sweet and sour sauce of the sweet and sour sea bream or ESCABECHE. We're gonna add pineapple, a few pieces of ginger, just a bit of garlic. What was the next one? Sugar. Pineapple, orange, banana juice. Just like 1 can would be enough. 2 or 3 spoons of vinegar, ketchup. And last but not least, just a touch of soy sauce. Not a lot. This is mostly for coloring, not more on flavor. And salt and pepper. That pot right there, we already made it at home. We're just reheating it right now. Once you let the sauce boil down for a bit, you add some green pepper, red pepper, carrots, and papaya. And that's basically it. So we made the sauce early at home because we weren't too sure if the sauce could really be made over the grill, especially since it's probably weaker right now.
Nice.
Yeah, look at that.
That's the finished product.
Nice, yeah.
Wow. Yummy.
So this is sweet and sour bream. Alright, let's try it.
Come and that's it. Come and taste it.
Alright.
Wow.
Let's
Very,
get some peppers.
very tasty.
Look at that. That sauce just coats all over my tongue. And then the fish is so crispy. It's really good. You guys should try it. Alright, Mom, try it.
That's very crispy.
Mmm.
That looks good, man.
That looks amazing.
Thank you for cooking. Very nice.
Let's taste it.
Good?
Good ESCABECHE.
Ocean bream. Nice.
Yummy.
Nice.
Oh, look at that.
Nice.
See?
Good.
Nice and sweet. You can taste the pineapple. Very tasty. Sweet and sour.
The rain's coming, so we gotta wrap this up now. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next one.